Track 140. 1,
Grass,
2,
tree,
3,
garden,
4,
sea,
5,
beach,
6,
flowers,
7,
river,
8,
forest,
9.
countryside.
Track 141. Part 1.
Hi,
Hi, Jose. Where are you?
I'm in my hotel. Thanks to all of you. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. The photographers think you are at the swimming pool. They're waiting outside.
Great. Come to my hotel. I want to show you some photos. Tell Joelle and Rosa. I'm in room 15.
Great! See you soon.
Track 142. Part 2.
Hi, come in.
What a room. It's bigger than my room at home. Have you got some photos of your house in Brazil?
I think so. Yes, here's one.
Wow! It's newer than my house. My house is really old.
Rosa, your house isn't old, and it's got a great garden with grass and flowers.
I know, but it's in the town, and I'd love to live in a forest. You know, with lots of trees and animals around.
Rosa, you're funny. Tell us more about your house, Jose.
I love it there. It isn't in the city or in a forest or in the countryside.
Is that a river in the photo?
No, it's the sea. My house is near the beach.
Ooh, the sea looks wonderful. It's bluer than the sea here.
And warmer than the sea in England too.
Maybe one day you can all come and visit me there.
Cool!
Guys, you really helped me today. I've got you some free tickets for my concert. I hope you can all come.
Yes, please. When is it?
Tonight.
Tonight? But what can I wear? Everything's dirty.
Oh, and bring your cameras. You can show your photos at the photo club.
Yeah!
Track 143. 1,
Rosa's house is older than José's house.
2,
The sea in Brazil is bluer than the sea in England.
Track 144. 1,
Unusual,
2,
wonderful,
3,
amazing,
4,
fantastic,
5,
popular,
6,
exciting,
7.
attractive.
Track 145. Great days out.
The Eden Project. Come and have a great family day out.
The Eden Project is more unusual than Alton Towers.
See our huge biomes. Wonderful flowers from around the world. Wonderful buildings. A real rainforest and more. There's always lots to do and see. We're open all year round. Look at the website for prices and times.
Alton Towers. We are the best place for an amazing family day out. We've got a theme park, a water park, new rides, lots of different things to do. There are always new activities to try. We're open from March to November. Look at the website for prices and times.
Woburn Safari Park. Come and have a fantastic family day out with us. You can help at feeding time. Go on a road safari around the park. Learn about all the wild animals. Climb the trees. And more. There are always new animals to see. We're open every day, March to October, and at weekends in the other months. Look at the website for prices and times. We're very popular, so phone before you come.
Warwick Castle is more exciting than Woburn Safari Park.
Warwick Castle. Visit a very old English castle. Come and walk around the outside. Visit the attractive rooms inside the castle. Learn about the history of the castle. Listen to scary stories and more. There are always new things to do. You won't be bored at Warwick Castle. We're open every day except on the 25th of December. Look at the website for prices and times.